In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export bank statement in Xero. We'll walk through the exact path in Xero to get to the export area for your bank transactions, and we'll also download the official Xero CSV template so you know the format Xero expects. I'll keep it simple and clear so you can follow along without pausing. Start by opening Xero in your browser and signing into the organization that holds the bank account you want to work with. Make sure you have the right permissions to view bank accounts and transactions. If you manage multiple organizations, double-check you're in the correct one before continuing. From the top menu, head to Accounting. This is the hub for day-to-day financial tasks in Xero. In the Accounting menu, choose Bank Accounts. That takes you to a list of all bank and credit card accounts connected to your organization, including any accounts you've added but haven't connected via a live bank feed. Find the specific account you want to work with, such as your business bank account, and select it to open the account's transaction screen. Here you'll see recent transactions, statement lines, and options tailored to that account. Look to the top right of the account page for the Manage Account menu. Open that menu to reveal tools for working with statements and transactions. From this menu, select Import a Statement. Even though it says Import, this is the quickest route to the export link area, and it also provides access to Xero's official CSV layout. It's helpful to land here because you can confirm the exact columns and structure Xero uses, which keeps your data clean and consistent when moving it between systems. On the Import a Statement page, choose Download Xero CSV Template. This downloads a small CSV file that contains the column headers Xero recognizes for bank statements like date, amount, and description. Save this file somewhere you can easily find it, such as your Downloads folder or a dedicated Finance folder. If your browser prompts you, pick a clear file name and confirm the save location. A quick tip as you wrap up. Landing on this page not only gives you the template, but also brings you close to the export options for your bank data, which is why we navigated here from Manage Account. If you're preparing data for analysis or sharing with your accountant, keeping the CSV in this exact format will help avoid import errors and make reconciliation smoother. And that's it. You've reached the export area in Xero and downloaded the Xero CSV template for bank statements, ready for clean, consistent data handling.